Hello and welcome to my channel. In my most recent unpacking, I bought a 50 kg barbell set. You can check the video description for the unboxing. Now I'll need a bench press with the rack to perform some workouts. So I decided to get this affordable yet high quality bench press rack. If you want to buy it too, look for the shop link in the video description. Let me unbox it now. Here's the description of the product. It took me some time to put it together, but it was well worth the effort. I finally have a nice home workout setup in place. The quality is also good. I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you find it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in my next video.